Do you know how to solve a numerical expression? Here we have, look, 3 divided by 3, multiplied by 3. So, here we have division and multiplication. What do we solve first here, huh? Between division and multiplication, there isn't a hierarchy for which operation to solve first. So, there's no such thing as having to do division before multiplication, or multiplication before division. Here we're just going to follow one rule. We solve whatever comes first from left to right. So, in this exercise here, we're going to do the division first, because the division comes first. So here, look, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Let's repeat the rest of the expression. Divided by 3, multiplied by 3. So what is this going to be equal to, huh? 1 divided by 3. I don't need to actually do the calculation. Do this operation here that would give a decimal number. I can just write it as a fraction. That's the same as 1/3, 1 divided by 3, which is being multiplied by 3. So we repeat the end of the expression, multiply by 3, see? 1/3 times 3. We can simplify the 3 with the 3. What are we left with? We're left with just the number 1. So, the result of this numerical expression, 3 divided by 3, multiplied by 3, is equal to 1. So, in this numerical expression, where we have division and multiplication, you need to pay attention here, because you have to solve what comes first from left to right. So, students, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video, which I'll leave here at the end for you to watch. A big hug to you all, and may God bless you.